right, here we go. This is a 2017 MKC Lincoln. We're going to change the wiper blades. These are the ones that we're using. Flex blade from Duralast. These are the ones that have it. There's a special clip. Clip number 4 is the one you need to use. All right. Comes with the original one there. Just pull it out. Just snap it out. This one snaps right in with a little pin. It looks a little different than the original ones. I'm going to show you why. In here, there's tiny little tabs here. There's one on each side. Just squeeze them together and pull it down, and the whole blade will come down and come off like that. There you go. All right? It looks a little different, and it's going to go in a little different. Okay, the new one is going to clip on in the back first, like that, and then snap in the front. So let's just go up close here, make sure I can see. Okay, grab the back, and then the front is going to snap as soon as I get it. I'll get it. All right, got it there in the back. And this is going to snap right into this little clip. Ugh. Let me try again. It was easy on the other side, John.
Yes, it was.
Let's try it again. That's what he said, you gotta muscle it in sometimes. And he's right. Oh my God. It's a tough one. There you go. Voila. Like I said, clip the back first and then push the one on there. There you go. Man, that's the toughest wiper blades I've ever done.